nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. Is amazing. Anyway, we're gonna make you a nice, lovely, simple recipe today. This one gonna be mango and ginger and lemon. Very easy and simple, natural. You don't need nothing more than this, guys, to make a quick smoothie in the morning. How will it come from Ricardo during the day? So please enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave your comments in the description box. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas. We're coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. And lovely, guys, we all know that we can use honey in our juice, drink, whatever I like, but sometimes I make mine just natural. So 1 glass of mango, peel mango. I'm using the beef part of the mango, which is very good. And I also gonna put a little bit of water, not too much, just a little bit, roughly half. I have roughly half and I use about 1/4 of the water. Then we're going to be getting some ginger. And to be honest, it's gonna be really nice mango and ginger smoothie. Fat chunk piece of ginger just to bring up the flavor inside of it. We got some lemon. We're gonna squeeze some lemon inside of it, or you can remove the skin from the lemon and put in it. So what we're gonna do, let's remove the skin from the lemon. Yeah, that's the lemon. Not gonna put any cucumber or anything else in it, just gonna keep it simple like this. Once you do that, go right here and blend it for about 3 to 4 seconds, alright? Nice one. See that? Look at that. Very easy and simple. So you guys can do this at home, not complicated and very easy. Alright, very quick recipe for my fans them who love their smoothie and love to do things at home. Mango and ginger. That's exactly what I'm talking about right here, guys, from Chef Ricardo today. Please enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave a comment in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. I will see you next time with more recipe. Bye bye.